In a professional American machine shop, two technicians were tasked with transporting a massive, heavy metal component across the floor. Due to a brief lapse in judgment and a failure to strictly follow established safety protocols, the heavy load suddenly shifted and fell, pinning a worker's leg underneath. This serious industrial accident serves as a critical wake-up call regarding the vital importance of workplace safety. It highlights why strict adherence to safety regulations is absolutely mandatory when operating in high-risk environments. By maintaining a focus on prevention and compliance rather than graphic details, this incident reminds every professional that shortcuts can lead to life-altering consequences. Safety must always remain the top priority to ensure a secure environment for everyone on the team and to prevent such avoidable accidents from occurring again. Dashcam footage has captured a distressing traffic incident that serves as a sobering reminder for both drivers and pedestrians. While vehicles were moving slowly through a parking area, a pedestrian failed to notice an oncoming white SUV and stepped directly into its blind spot as it was turning. Due to a lack of situational awareness, the individual was struck and pulled underneath the vehicle. Compounding the tragedy, the driver, likely due to panic or a lack of emergency response skills, failed to brake immediately, continuing to move and worsening the situation. This event highlights crucial safety lessons. Pedestrians must never use phones or be distracted in traffic areas, remembering that just because they see a car doesn't mean the driver sees them. Drivers must be hyper-aware of blind spots and keep their feet hovering over the brake in crowded areas. Safety is a shared responsibility. A single second of distraction can lead to a lifetime of regret. This footage captures a critical safety failure at a high-rise construction site where a temporary loading platform suffered a total structural collapse while supporting a forklift. The incident happened so rapidly that intervention was impossible, sending heavy equipment and materials plummeting multiple stories to the ground. This serves as a vital reminder for the industry to prioritize load capacity verification, ensuring that temporary structures are mathematically rated for heavy machinery. Rigorous pre-shift inspections of connection points and cables are essential to identify material fatigue before failure occurs. Furthermore, establishing strictly enforced exclusion zones beneath overhead work and adhering to site-specific engineering protocols for high-risk maneuvers are non-negotiable safety standards to prevent such catastrophic equipment losses on site. At a high-rise construction site, a forklift transporting heavy material panels suffered a catastrophic accident when the floor edge collapsed while reversing. This incident highlights critical failures in load-bearing capacity and safety perimeters, as the structural integrity of the temporary platform was insufficient for the heavy machinery. Furthermore, the lack of a designated spotter and physical guardrails created a high-risk environment. To prevent such events, it is essential to rigorously verify structural ratings before operating equipment. Adhering to strict operational protocols, including the use of bull rails and professional supervision, is vital. Ultimately, site safety is a collective responsibility. Proper training and constant vigilance are the only ways to ensure every worker returns home safely. This serves as a sobering reminder that complacency has no place on a job site.
Workers climbing onto a column formwork. No scaffolding, no safety harness, nothing. Working at heights without proper safety measures is a huge risk. Always use harnesses, lanyards, and secure scaffolding. Safety isn't optional. It's life-saving.
Fortunately, the worker landed on soft ground, avoiding a much worse outcome. However, this incident serves as a serious
Workers climbing onto a column formwork.
Safety.
No scaffolding, no safety harness, nothing. Working at heights without proper safety measures is a huge risk. Always use harnesses, lanyards, and secure scaffolding. Safety isn't optional. It's life-saving.
Prioritize your well-being by ensuring every structure is secure and compliant with safety standards before stepping onto it. This footage captures a critical safety incident involving a red dump truck at a construction site. While unloading materials, the vehicle's stability was compromised due to uneven terrain and a shifting center of gravity as the bed was raised. Within seconds, the truck lost balance and tipped over completely. As it began to lean, The operator tried to jump from the cabin, but was unable to clear the danger zone in time, resulting in a heavy impact. This serves as a vital reminder for the industry. Always ensure the vehicle is on firm, level ground before engaging the hoist, as even a slight incline can be catastrophic. Operators must verify even load distribution and maintain high situational awareness. Safety experts often advise that staying inside a reinforced cabin with a seatbelt is safer than jumping, which risks being caught under the falling vehicle. This footage from a roadside construction site captures a powerful moment of situational awareness. Two workers are seen on duty, one stationed inside a deep manhole, while the other stands watch on the perimeter. In a split second, a vehicle loses control and hurtles toward the work zone. The worker on the surface spots the danger instantly. With incredible presence of mind, he signals his colleague and pulls him to safety just moments before the impact. Thanks to his lightning-fast reflexes and constant vigilance, a major accident was narrowly avoided. This serves as a crucial reminder of why safety protocols and spotters are essential in high-risk environments. Staying alert isn't just a rule, it's what brings everyone home safely at the end of the day. In the video, a crane lifting a heavy structural component suffers a stability failure when its outriggers suddenly sink into the ground. This loss of balance causes the machine to tip over, resulting in significant damage. To prevent such incidents, operators must prioritize ground stability and use proper outrigger pads to distribute heavy loads. It is crucial to operate on level, firm terrain while avoiding soft soil or underground utilities. Always ensure outriggers are fully extended and strictly adhere to the crane's rated lifting capacity as specified in the load chart. Thorough per-operational inspections and following all safety protocols are essential to maintaining a secure environment. By staying within operational limits and verifying site conditions, workers can ensure a safe and efficient job site for everyone involved. The footage captures a technician working on an unit high on a building wall when his ladder suddenly loses its grip and slides away. In a split-second instinct, the worker is forced to cling to the unit to avoid a fall. This incident serves as a stark reminder of how quickly a routine task can become hazardous when safety protocols are overlooked. To prevent such close calls, never work alone. Always have a secondary person foot the ladder for stability. Ensure equipment is placed on firm, level ground with anti-slip grips. Professional safety harnesses are non-negotiable for work at elevation. Homeowners should always hire certified contractors who possess the specialized gear and training required for high-altitude repairs. A quick fix is never worth the risk. Safety must always be the top priority in any labor environment to ensure everyone returns home safely. This video footage captures an extremely dangerous near-miss incident during the unloading of compressed gas cylinders. A valve failure on one cylinder releases high-pressure gas, propelling the heavy tank into the air like a rocket and narrowly missing nearby workers. This frightening event highlights the destructive power of uncontained gas and serves as a stark reminder of workplace safety protocols. First, rigorous inspection is vital. Always check valve seals and cylinder integrity before handling. Second, utilizing proper equipment and PEEP, including specialized lifting tools, is essential to minimize impacts. Finally, comprehensive emergency training is necessary so workers can respond effectively to pressure leaks or equipment failure. A single lapse in safety when handling high-pressure materials can lead to catastrophic results, making strict adherence to procedure the top priority.